Affinity Publisher templates can be a helpful addition to any print project, saving you both time and money. And luckily, there are hundreds of professionally made print design templates on Envato Elements to choose from, all Affinity Publisher friendly. The best part is you get templates, graphics, photographs, fonts, and more for one fee. That's right, unlimited downloads for one low price. Let's check out these top 10 best Affinity Publisher template designs. They're just a sample of all the goodness out there that's now Affinity Publisher friendly. Advertising a class or event? How about a flyer design to help get the word out that evokes just the right response in your target audience? This elegant resume design comes with different layout options, and the icons are all included as an EPS file. Import this one into Affinity Publisher and customize it to meet your professional goals. Bold color and experimental type can make for a really interesting and memorable design, and it's easy to import right into Affinity Publisher with the included IDML file. This blocky grid-based aesthetic works really well. Mix and match the colors, add your content, and make this resume design your own. This is such a versatile resume design. This template could work for such a wide variety of industries, or you could push it in a completely different direction. What customizations would you make? This design shows just how simplicity can be so elegant. Check out the use of type in this flyer design template. It's very versatile and can be used in countless different design situations. The gray and gold here make for a soft and classy aesthetic. This was designed for spas in mind, but remember, this template is fully customizable. Take it into Affinity Publisher and make it your own. It's easy to add your very own content to any flyer design templates like this one. Want to test out all the colors, or maybe you're just not sure which of the photos you think work best? Download it today and give it a try. Doesn't this cover letter look oh so professional? It comes with a matching resume design as well. Add your own content, customize the colors, and make it your own. Talk about one welcoming design. It's so easy to get lost in the beautiful imagery. Imagine this template with your content instead. What photos would you add to make us all feel like we need a spa day? And there you have it, the top 10 best Affinity Publisher templates. Which were your favorites? There really is no better time to get started on your next design project, and there are so many professionally designed templates over on Envato Elements. One fee and you're good for thousands of assets. Curious about Affinity Publisher? Why not check out some of the other excellent videos that Envato Tuts Plus has to offer? If you like this video and would like to see more, consider giving us a like and even subscribing if you haven't already. And don't forget to click the little bell icon to be notified of all new videos, including tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy designing! See you next time.